Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this 4-pack of toner cartridge replacements. Now, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about these and help you know what you can expect when you get them. Now, these are them right here. These are the cartridge replacements. These are for the 218X. So you will notice here at the bottom, it kind of has a replacement for and then kind of the unit number right there. But I did want to show you, you'll notice also it says the color there. This is the yellow one right here. We've actually got a blue here, a magenta, and then this is the black right here. So we've got 4 different cartridges here, and they are, like I said, for the 218X, and they even have the chip included, which is a really nice feature as well. I appreciate that they included that, so it is a compatible replacement for the unit. But I really like these toner cartridges a lot. I think they're really nice and high quality. They have a good amount of printing capability as far as longevity, and I really like that about these cartridges. Overall, I've been really impressed with them. I think they're great replacements, and I would highly recommend them. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.